So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this cool outline effect in DaVinci Resolve completely for free. So let's get into it. So once you're in DaVinci, go ahead and drag down the clip that you're going to be using, and then right click and press New Fusion Clip. So you can come to the beginning of your clip, and this is something a little bit scary for everybody, and we have to use the Fusion page. But trust me, it's pretty simple. So come down here to the Fusion page, and go ahead and click on Meet It in One, and then do Shift plus Spacebar. And that pulls up the search menu. So do Planar Tracker, click on that, and press Add. So now come up here to the inspector and change Tracker Point to Hybrid Point Area. And from here, if you're at frame 0 or the very beginning of your clip, it will work fine. But if you're at the middle of the clip or something like that, you're going to have to come up here to reference time and press set wherever you want the effect to start. And this will just tell DaVinci that this is where it starts instead of frame 0. So now make a very rough outline around whatever you're tracking, and then press track forward. And the rough outline, it's just so rough and easy, and it does the rest. So now go ahead and come over to frame 0, and this will help us later. So on frame 0 here, now let's go ahead and press Create Planar Transform, and go ahead and delete Planar Tracker now. So from this box right here on Planar Transform, drag over to Meet It in One, and as you can see, it automatically makes a merge node. So now click on Planar Transform and come over here and press on Background. Now this makes another merge node, but this is still simple, trust me. So now go ahead and click on Merge To, and then on your keyboard do Command T. So as you can see here now, the screen has turned completely black, but this is just the background. So go ahead and click on the background, and then up here in the inspector, you can change it to whatever color you would like. I'm going to do this orangish color though. So now staying on background and on frame 0, come over here to B-spline and click on that. So now as you can see, our background has just disappeared. So what we have to do is mask around our subject that we want the outline to go around, and for the mask you want it to be nice and precise, as this will make the effect look better. So you can zoom in and just start making our mask. So as you can see here now, background has appeared, but it's not an outline. So up here in the inspector, we can come over and uncheck solid, and then we can do raise the border width, and as you can see, that's giving us our outline that we want. And then you can make a little bit of a soft edge also. But if you want to animate it at all instead of just having it appear, all we have to do is come over here to position and length. So go ahead and I'm going to make it at 0, keyframe both of them, and then come to the end of the clip and do 2 and 1. So now as you can see here, we have the line animation. The only thing that it's not doing is tracking, but this is a simple step. So come over here to frame 0 and click on Merge To, and go ahead and disconnect it from everything around. Once you've disconnected it, go ahead and just delete Planar Transform to Merge One, background to Planar Transform, and this will be the final effect. As you can see, it's tracking around, and it has the full effect. So if you like this video or it was helpful, go ahead and click this one next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.